Hey Alice, let me ask you something.
Sure, David.
Do you understand English, but when you try to speak, nothing comes out?
Oh, yes, that happens to a lot of people.
You know the words, you understand videos.
But your mouth feels stuck.
Exactly.
If that sounds like you, don't worry.
Today, we're gonna fix that.
Yes, today we'll show you how to train your mind and your mouth to speak English.
Simple steps, real practice, no stress.
And if you want to speak English confidently,
You're in the right place. So Alice, why do people understand English but can't speak?
good question.
Is it because they are not smart?
No, not at all.
Then what's the problem?
The problem is simple. They don't train their mouth.
Their mouth.
Yes, think about it like this.
Okay.
Learning English without speaking is like learning to drive from a book.
Ah, you understand it.
But you can't actually do it.
That makes so much sense.
Your brain knows, but your mouth doesn't practice.
So, how do we train our mouth?
Like going to the gym.
The gym?
Yes, you don't build muscles by thinking.
You build them by doing.
Exactly.
What's the first method?
Shadowing.
What is that?
You listen to English and repeat it immediately.
Like an echo.
Yes, you copy everything. Pronunciation, rhythm, tone.
So if someone says, "How are you?"
You say, "How are you?" right after.
even if I don't understand everything?
Yes, just repeat.
What's next?
Repeat simple phrases every day.
Like what?
I'm ready. I can do it. Let's go.
Simple, but powerful.
Yes, simple phrases unlock your mouth.
Okay, this one is interesting.
Yes, speak out loud.
Even alone?
Especially alone.
What can I say?
Anything. I'm making coffee. I'm cleaning my room. I feel tired today.
So I talk to myself.
Yes, you are your own teacher.
Now let's talk about the mind.
Yes, speaking is not just the mouth, it's also the brain.
How can I think in English?
Start small.
How small?
Single words. Water. Food. Cold.
Then what?
Short sentences. I'm tired. I need coffee. It's hot today.
So no translation.
Exactly. Think directly in English.
Okay, how do we improve faster?
Simple. Live with English.
What do you mean?
Add English to your daily life. Watch videos, listen to music, read simple content.
Even memes?
Yes, even memes.
That makes learning fun. What's the most important thing?
Consistency.
Meaning?
Do a little every day.
5 minutes?
Yes,
Better than 2 hours once a week.
much better.
Now let's talk about confidence.
This is very important.
Many people wait to be perfect.
Big mistake.
Why?
Because you don't start perfect.
You become better by starting.
Your voice is important.
Even with mistakes?
Yes, mistakes are part of learning.
So, what's the biggest secret?
Your brain follows your mouth.
What does that mean?
When you speak, your brain learns faster.
So, speaking is the key?
Exactly.
Now listen carefully. If you only watch,
You won't improve.
but if you speak,
Everything changes.
so here's your challenge.
Say one English sentence out loud right now.
Then write it in the comments.
And if you're serious about speaking English,
Subscribe now.
because we practice real English here.